Hello viewers, welcome to CaTalkies. In this video, we will be discussing about the meanings of the terms large cap, mid cap and small cap. So how do you classify these three categories of companies? पर उससे पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. The categorization has been done by SEBI. As per SEBI guidelines, all companies are ranked based on their market capitalization. So those companies which are ranked from 1 to 100 are large cap companies. Next, those companies which are ranked from 101 to 250 are mid cap companies. And lastly, those companies that are ranked 251 and below are called small cap companies. Guys, it's very important to note one thing here. Earlier, all companies were categorized on the basis of the amount of market capitalization, which is no longer the case. I hope you've now understood the meaning of small cap, mid cap and large cap companies. Take care.